So if you want to build a private blockchain from scratch, here are the main components you need. First one we have is the block model, which is the basic in which you need the block storage, transaction data, timestamp, previous hash, current hash, and the value. After that, we have the transaction system. So the transaction system defines movement of data or digital assets between wallets. Then we have this mining and validator. Depending on the blockchain design, because every single blockchain will be differ for one another. If you're building for a banking, it could follow the different structure. If you're building for a health management, it will follow a different structure. So you can design the system, node validators and the block, that whatever data you want to contain in that block. Since it's a private blockchain, you don't always need expensive proof of work. You can use lightweight concession mechanism because you're going to use internally within your organization. We have a wallet management. So wallet handle key generation and digital signature, because when you go to sign a transaction, a wallet will be used to sign that particular model. We have this P2P network. So we can use these nodes to communicate and scan blockchain data. We have RPC API server, which allow us application to interact with the blockchain and read the data and write the data. We have the smart contract, which allows us to automate the entire business logic which you want to execute in the private blockchain. We have the dApp, where we can build the entire interface and connect with the system design with the blockchain, which can be used for the developer or the user to interact with the protocol and call all of the function we have in that private blockchain. You might be having this question that where this private blockchain are exactly get utilized. Healthcare system for secure records, banking system for internal transaction, internal settlement, for doing any settlement or transaction between the party which involve within the organization of the banking system. We have a supply chain management for product tracking. We have a gaming ecosystem for digital assets transfer, because it's going to be implemented within the gaming models, where we have a private blockchain which is going to perform the transaction back and forth. We have the enterprise company for internal automations. So if you have any workflow within your company, you can simply build the chain and it's going to be work on that particular flow and do the automation automatically, because it's going to control based on the smart contract. So whenever any logic would be fulfilled, it's going to execute the transaction. So you will have the entire workflow. You have understood that what technology we utilize, where we can utilize it, what are the things goes into a private blockchain. Now